I'm Charles Miller, GM at Evans Transportation. Food manufacturers can find a variety of ways to reduce profit loss through their logistics. When delivering to grocery warehouses in particular, and a lot of retailers, those deliveries are pretty difficult compared to most transportation that occurs in the domestic U.S. Normal being dock to dock, no touch, no lumpers, no accessorials, no appointment process even. Sometimes it's just a call ahead. A lot of retailers, especially in the food business, require maybe 48, 72-hour notice. Adhering to that specific time often means that they're not able to efficiently maximize the time that the driver is being used. ELD is now in place. There's a lot less flexibility in his next move after that as well. So it causes a lot of additional costs just in lack of efficiency when delivering to these grocery warehouses, and a lot of retailers in general have these types of additional costs. Time costs money in this business. So if a driver can't get his next load that same day, he just lost out on all of that business. He's going to pay for fuel while he's sitting there. The driver's going to get paid probably, and the customer eventually will pay due to detention, or they're going to increase their rate when they understand the business and the different constraints that are involved with it. One of the most common ways a 3PL approaches the business in general is just by identifying different carriers to handle the business at a lower cost. There's a tremendous amount of data that exists in our system among all customers where we're looking to leverage the best possible carrier for the best possible load. It doesn't always mean that it's just a straight freight negotiation. It's finding the truck that's going to reduce deadhead to reduce their costs is how you're going to get the best rate. So using a network of all these carriers and knowing where drivers are going to be, and that could be with a variety of tools, including history in our TMS systems, the different load boards that we use on a daily basis, as well as new advancements in macro point capacity matching and maybe digital freight brokerage. There's a variety of different ways that 3PLs will obtain lower rates than shippers. Not in every case, but in many cases. That's probably the most simple approach. When you work with a true transportation management company like Evans, we're looking at that, but we're also looking at how do we help you change your habits, or at least give you the opportunity to change those habits to drive lower cost. That's really the difference between a freight broker and a transportation management company, is giving you a static ship day schedule, working with your suppliers, training them how to use the system, giving you advice on, we could probably deliver all of your goods at the right time for your current production schedule if you followed more of a setup like this. And we want to make it easier for your suppliers. We don't want to make it hard, because then they won't do it. Additionally, the visibility that Evans specifically provides in how that is consolidated, one load moves in, we set one appointment, you know exactly what to plan on the production floor. Moving a variety of vendors into one location on one truck is really going to help you plan out your day.